Trying to play your downloaded songs, but they're missing from Spotify? There's a hidden feature that lets you play local songs right inside the app, but most people don't even know it's there. The good news? Turning it on takes less than a minute. And once you do, all your offline music shows up. Ready to play with your Spotify library? Let's unlock it right now. Let's set it up right now. So first, open up the Spotify app on your Android phone. After that, tap on your profile in the top left corner. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now here you will find an option called Apps and Devices. Tap on it. Scroll down a little bit. After that, toggle on the local audio files. Now tap on Library from the bottom bar. Then tap Local Files. Then tap Add Audio. Now allow Spotify to access music and audio on this device. Here you can find all your downloaded audio music. Just tap any of them and enjoy your music. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.